Hey there, I'm Mika and I'm making my own omelet special. First, heat the cooking oil in an 8-inch non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Drain 2 tablespoons of sliced candied banana peppers on paper towels. If the slices are too large, give them a quick chop. Crack 2 large eggs into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of milk and a pinch of salt and pepper. Beat the eggs with a fork vigorously until uniform in color and slightly foamy. Pour the beaten eggs into your frying pan with the preheated oil.
Scatter the sliced peppers evenly around the egg mixture. When the edges begin to firm up, use a spatula to gently push the cooked edges toward the center, tilting the pan so uncooked egg flows underneath. Spread the cheddar over one half of the omelet and flip the other half over the top of the cheese. All that's left is for you to make this a reality in your kitchen. You'll be glad you did.